Today with this material I'll be building this outhouse. These are the plans. Right now into these we'll half cuts so that we can make them together and they'll mate better. Cash. So it's almost dark out. We finished the main base. Tomorrow we'll add some reinforcements. Now we'll just screw it together to make ourselves happy. After a long time it was nice to do a bit of woodworking, especially with help. So that's pretty cool. So now we have got a moving sphere. Now it's time to reinforce it and continue with the rest of the construction. Now we'll build walls from these 4 poles. We'll make 2 constructions and then we'll join them. Now this wood will be joining our walls. And if you look at the plans, this wood will be cut down so that it will be down there, hold the 2 poles and then hold them up there. And then again it will be down there, hold the poles and up there. So now due to the weather we are inside, but we finally have the shape. We are done with the bottom, with the walls and with the top, and it's all got together. Right now we'll start with the back wall, then we'll do the side walls and then the roof, and then we'll start with the sitting here, and then finally the door if the time allows it. To je dobrý, čum. Si to vyndal. Right now we have finished the walls. It's looking rather good. Then we'll follow up with the roof and the seating. We have also added reinforcements here so that when we move it sideways, it doesn't rock almost at all. And now it moves more in this direction. So then we'll add reinforcements right there and there. We have finished the roof. It's almost done. It's looking pretty good. Right now we'll do the seating where you can do the business. And the next weekend do EPA on the roof, the doors, and gonna grind this a little bit and paint on oil paint on it. So now I have the sitting place for thinking done. The only thing that I like is this. I wanted to have enough space, but well, yeah. But the great thing is that this is right away with it. So then when I'll cover it, it will be great. So I'm pretty happy. So it is looking better. Now I need to make the hole for this and then send it from the outside and inside so that I can paint it. So tomorrow I'll take care of the doors. Use some like cell or some plastic cover just for now because I don't have the material. Then put IPA on the roof and then I'll put some hole here, some tube here so that the mess doesn't get on the wood. So right now I'll start off with sanding and painting because my saw broke. So another belt broke. Like I managed to finish this up, which is the most important. Then I started up on this one and it broke. Like before when I was just trying it out on the outside of this, I basically like sanded the entire section and it was fine. So it's probably catching on something or whatever, I don't know, but I don't have many of them, so I'm just gonna take a regular sandpaper to hand and do a little bit of hand sanding, just like knock off whatever, and then I'll paint it. So yeah, this is the paint I'm gonna use. It's some oil mixture with something so that it like hardens after it. It should be good. And I already used it and I'm happy with it, but I'm pretty curious how it's gonna work on this when there is so many imperfections. So I have the hole done, and then in the future time I'll put this tube in. This tube will be put in here and here, half, because then I want to stop the mess from getting on the wood. So we'll get to the roof. First off, I'll burn the wood with my burner for my stove for blacksmithing. So burning the wood and then putting this on. So yeah, the roof is done. It's not the best, it's not awesome or everything. I did the best that I could. These flaps, I like them, like being like that, but I'll get my dad to check it, so if I should like get it like that. But I like the look a lot, like this. It was hard to do, mainly because I couldn't see how much am I heating it up. So it was very hard to do, and I also didn't know how much to heat it up to do it properly. So it was like trial and error, but I think it's gonna be fine for this application. Right now we'll halve this tube, attach it here, and then we'll put the second and third coat of the paint. So that would be done, the epitome of modernist shit. Let's do the second and third coat. I almost forgot the wood for here. So the outhouse is done. It is in its final place. It's also anchored to the ground. I could not record it because I needed to do it fast and I had to rush it. Otherwise, this is now a cabrio outhouse. It does not have a door for now. I'm gonna put some tarp over it, but right now it's great. I really like the look of it. I learned a lot along the way. I have not done this in a long time. I really like how it looks. This was something else that I normally do, so it was a learning experience. I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot of new things, and I thank everyone who helped me, those who were on the camera and those who weren't. Enjoy it all and share the enjoyment. Dobrý, dobrý. Čau. Čau, bratře, až se bude pracovat.